Bitcoin mining has proven to be extremely centralized. Layer Technologies, an American firm, aims to change that narrative over the coming years. Most people may not be familiar with Layer Technologies just yet. An ambitious plan for Layer Technologies company is only now rolling out its Bitcoin mining operation in West Texas. In late 2019, the company raised $50 million from various investors. Those investors include Digital Currency Group and Shasta Ventures. Following the successful round, Layer Technologies began constructing multiple liquid cooling mining containers. That has been a development capable of revolutionizing the Bitcoin mining industry. Mining containers, while requiring liquid cooling, can be deployed anywhere in the. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.